The average person pays for over $200 a year in app subscriptions they barely use. Today I'm showing you 5 paid apps that free AI tools now replace, honestly and completely. Check your bank statement after this video. You'll probably find at least one of these. Number 5. Paid grammar checkers. Most people pay $12 a month just for rewriting suggestions. A free AI assistant like Claude or ChatGPT does deeper editing, matches your tone, restructures entire paragraphs, and explains why. Paste your text, ask for an edit done. Number 4. Paid video editors. CapCut's free tier includes auto captions, background removal, and transitions that used to need professional software. For social content, most creators never hit the paywall. If you're paying for an editor you use twice a month, this is your sign. Number 2. Transcription services. People still pay per minute to turn audio into text. Free AI transcription is now built into CapCut, YouTube, and NotebookLM, and dedicated free tiers handle interviews and meetings with speaker labels. Accuracy is at the point where paying is optional. Open your subscriptions page right now. Seriously, pause the video and cancel one thing this list just replaced. That's real money back every month. Subscribe if you want more honest breakdowns of what's worth paying for and what isn't. See you in the next one.